Right, morning, this is Kel here. Okay, let's do some market outlook based on some conventional indicators versus ours. Now you can see that the S&P 500 has steadily traded below the 200-day MA. Yeah, it's been doing that. And when we give a call was around here, and we mentioned that the S&P might be coming down to this point here, 2646, right? If you remember the video earlier, and the market came nicely here. Last night it broke below, but now it's retesting this figure. So 2646 is a very critical number, because if the market cannot hold above this 2646, right, we can actually see something worse than that. Let me just bring it down a little bit. Yes, the S&P 500 could be trading towards this point here, which is about 2499 or 2500 level, and this is about 143 points away from the current level. And if this is going to happen, that means we're looking for another potentially probably another 1,000-point move from the Dow Jones. Okay, that's why probably Goldman Sachs, some of the US firm are looking at potentially such figures in their recent reports. Okay, now the moving averages has come to converge. This is a very important signal to tell us that a big movement is coming in. Of course, you can speculate that it could be turning upwards, so the price may recover to this point, 2747. If not, then what I fear is this point here. So traders, you just have to watch out for this. Now this is the US Dow Jones. You can see last night it broke again the 200 MA. I mean yesterday, the day before, it broke below 200 MA. So that's why the selling kicks in once again. This is a very typical sign. Current support now, we are right around here. Okay, oops, sorry, it's a wrong coloration. Hold a minute. Okay, current support is about 24,400 level. If the Dow Jones continue to trend lower, I would like to take a look here. The Dow Jones could be going towards around this point, which is chocolate bar. That's about 23,965 or approximately 24,000. So it's about 1,400 point potential move from here. So it's roughly in line with S&P forecast. Okay. And of course, this is the traditional indicators. Let's look at our own indicator. This is the Dow Jones. Now, last night Dow Jones, let's take a look here. Last night Dow Jones ignored the pivot point because that was for today. Now for today, for last night, the Dow Jones basically color change over here. CCYR, bigger candle body, boom, sold off. CCYR, bigger body, boom, sold off, and so forth. Alright, here again, CCYR. Now this one, the body, the yellow was a bit bigger, so this is not actually the best trade you can see from here. Very powerful, right? But CCYR again, the body was bigger, but market sell off again. That was a very simple move of yesterday, and if you capture this, you could make some good money. Alright, now we'll look at something very exciting now. Here's something on the page now. This is the one, okay? This is the Facebook. Yes, Facebook on PSV3 on Facebook. My goodness, that's a lot on Facebook yesterday. Now this is the Facebook chart. Let me just refresh this for a while. Okay. Alright, Facebook basically yesterday has continued the day chart. CCYR, body's bigger, so sell off came in. Now watch this carefully. This is the Facebook yesterday, right? And you can see right over here, okay, on Facebook yesterday, last night, it was incredible. It basically gap down. It tried to go up again, couldn't reach a pivot, pull back down again, but you can see it was telling us that there's some strength because the KSI was green, right? So this tells us evidently the KSI is workable even in the US market. And then I'll bring you to something else. Like example, we have right over here. Okay, we have Apple shares. Yesterday, Apple came off very badly. Okay, Apple shares on the day chart. This is the 30-minute. The Apple share gap down. No CCRY at all. Basically, the boys were selling like crazy, so the market just couldn't go up. Hit the pivot point, 180.42. Can you see that? Yes, 180.42, but just cannot stay above it with color change. Brought back down again, sell off. Incredible, right? This is pivot on the US stock market, on the US stock individually. This is Google last night. Google gap down, tried to recover a little bit. Okay, the KSI was green, so that's why the buying came in. Despite the Nasdaq was down last night, but the US shares, certain of them are actually pretty strong. So you can see right over here, as long as you basically use the right equipment, okay, for the market, you can see on the Google, this one where the CCYR came in, the market just sell and stuff like that. this is going to be very impactful for us in the coming weeks, because we are looking to push up PSV3 US stocks by mid-December before Christmas, if not early January. Okay? Alright, this is Kel signing off. Hope you enjoyed today's trading. Bye-bye.